Welcome back. So we are talking about echo statement earlier on. I was seeing how we can use echo statement to display text as well as HTML tags on the screen. Now, when you are using keywords, the case sensitivity is ignored. So ECHO, small case, and ECHO, capital case, or ECHO, camel case, they will do the same thing. It's case insensitive. But that doesn't make PHP case insensitive. PHP is actually a very strongly case sensitive language when we're dealing with variables. Variables and names are highly case sensitive. However, the keywords on their own are not case sensitive. Let's confirm that. Let's go back and do an echo in capital case, ECHO, echo keywords, PHP keywords, PHP keywords are not case sensitive. Let's put a BR tag at the end of this so that it can automatically take this new one to a different line. Okay. So let's see if it will display it. Save all. Come back to our browser and refresh. You see, it actually displays it, right? It did not give me an error message, showing that you can choose to type your keywords either with small case or with a uppercase, okay? But for the sake of uniformity, it is better you stick to your smaller case for the sake of uniformity, especially when you're working with other developers on your team, okay? So you don't start creating a different standard other than what others have. So let's maintain our case, our small case for keywords. So basically, all our keywords using small case for them. All our keywords using small case for them. All right. So okay. So I think that's all we'll talk about echo statement. Okay. One more thing. Echo statement can also be used to display. Echo statement can also display values of variables and constants. Values of variables and constants. We shall be discussing variables and constants in a while, in a very short while. But for now, let's just see an example of a variable. Variables in PHP must start with a $sign symbol. Variables in PHP must start with what? A $sign symbol. So let's say this is dollar my name. My name equals to, well, my name is supposed to be a string, right? So enclose it inside a pair of strings, quotation mark. My name, Steve Hewe. So the variable here is my name, right? So I can say echo. Let's put a BR tag to take to the next line. Okay, and then you can either put the variable directly inside your quotation mark. It will take it. Okay, echo my name, it will take it. Or it can be, let's see, another one again. BR. My name is my name. Okay, so you can echo it as part of your strings, the variable name rather, as part of your string. You notice that even though it's inside a pair of quotation mark, the display is different, right? The color is white, but what is the color for the other part of the string? It's green. Okay, so that means it took it as a variable name, even though it's inside an enclosed quotation mark. So you can do this, or you can use the concatenation symbol. You can use the concatenation symbol. What is my name? Answer. Okay, let me put a BR tag here. So this displays on a different line. Answer. Answer. Now see how I'm going to concatenate it. I use dots. In PHP, dots is used as concatenation symbol, right? Dots my name. And don't forget to end with semicolon. All these instances of echo statements are legal and allowed. Let's save it and then go and check how they are all rendered. Browser, you display, you refresh this, they are all correct. Okay, they are all correct. Any questions on this? In our next class, we'll move on to the next part. We've talked about PHP syntax. We'll now talk about constants and variables in PHP in our next class. See you in the next class.